Jai Sai Ram, welcome to Sai Children. Today I am going to share an experience with all of you how Baba helped a devotee to come out of depression and a kind of mental pain. But before that, I would like to apologize because I couldn't post since long as I was not keeping a good health, and I'll try to bring the videos in continuity. And I would also request all of you to share your experiences. You can connect with me via Instagram or email ID. And now I'm sharing this experience. This is the experience of my aunt. So, uh, she she was being predicted by an astrologer that she would die in 5 years. Therefore, she believed a lot on this prediction that her life is only for 5 years. Even at that point of time, when I had heard 6 7 years ago, I had suggested her that, see, you have 5 years, enjoy these 5 years, why do you worry about what will happen after that? And my mom scolded me for this stupid suggestion, but I did not care, and I was not afraid about these predictions, because many astrologers come and go, they predict this and that. So I didn't take it seriously, but she took it so seriously that she got her only son married very immediately after that prediction, because she wanted to see Bhaiya's marriage before she before that prediction goes right. So all these happened, and after that, I did not know. I thought she has forgotten, like we have forgotten. But one fine day in 2021, she told me that, my time period is over now. The astrologer had told me I will die. And then I realized that she hadn't forgotten that astrology. And she's waiting, and what do I say? I'm running short of words right now, but I felt very bad and I couldn't understand that how can I help her out. So what I did was I started narrating her some experiences of Sai Baba. You can say some Sai Leelas which I started narrating her, and then she was ready to do Sai Vrat, and she started doing the way I was doing. Then one fine day, I decided to send her a Sai Satcharitra book, which is a very holy book, very powerful book. And I told her that, see, if you read and ask Baba something, and if you read it with full of your devotion and attention, your problem will be solved. And trust me, after she started reading Sai Satcharitra, she forgot those predictions, and then she came out of depression. She came out of that thought of death, because the day I had planned to send her Sai Satcharitra, that day her condition was very worse. She was as if waiting to die. She had lost all hopes from the life, and it was all dull days passing by. And since it was COVID time, so I did not know how can I help out, because I stay in a different city. She stays in a different city, which is quite 300 kilometers apart. So it was not easy for me to travel back then and there because of Corona. So I sent her the Sai Satcharitra Ji by Baba's Grace, which costed me more than, like, it was very costly. And I couldn't understand back then that why it was so costly, why it became such a costly affair. But later, with time, with Baba's experiences, I realized Baba took some dakshina, and in return, Baba blessed her a lot. She came out of depression, she came out of that thought of death, of approaching death, because this is one of the worst prediction these astrologers do, by telling somebody their death, and which, I hate. That's why I hate astrology. So this was one of the how reading Sai Satcharitra helped her. She, after that, she started praying to Baba. She started living things on Baba. She started relying on Baba, and then this thought was all gone. And reading Sai Satcharitra somehow helped her to come out of that mental pain. I can actually say, I can, exact word is pain, which she had carried for past 5 years after that prediction. But finally, it was all gone by Baba's blessings, and she is happy now. She is happy in her life. And yes, life is difficult, so sometimes a new challenge comes, so she faces them boldly, but she prays to Sai Baba. So this was the experience. I hope you all liked it, and do not forget to share your experience with us. You can mail us or share on Instagram. As I told you, the details are there in description, so please do connect with us and share your experiences of Sai Baba, how Baba blessed you. Take a moment and do write and share, because this would enlighten many more lives who will hear these experiences. So stay blessed.